Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. If you are new to the channel, I am Catherine and today we have the Ipsy Original Glam Bag. So let's get in here and see how I did this month. The Original Ipsy Glam Bag is a $12 per month subscription. You get 5 products, generally deluxe samples. Periodically they throw in a full size. They no longer give us a card with the information on it, so I print it out so I can be sure and tell you guys all the details. The only downside to that is I know it's in the bag now. In all fairness, I printed this out when they said it shipped, so I kind of forget, but let's go ahead and get in here and find out. I have already done my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Ultimate, and I will put links at the end of the video in case you have any interest in going over and checking that out. And when I take everything out of the bag, this is what I got. I didn't do any add-ons. This is just one of my products that they didn't put in the bag. So let's just dig right in. First of all, the bag is silver. Our bag for our Ipsy Ultimate was rose gold, and the bag for the Plus this time was just kind of a pink fabric sack with kind of Ipsy written in a shimmery silver, so I guess that was the connection. They say that as a rule that middle sack now for Plus is going to match our other bags. I have seen next month and it does match better. Okay, we'll start with this. Since it's already outside the box, it is a coffee scrub, which are they having a day or what? Coffee scrubs are all kinds of in right now. This is Mind Tan Prep and Prime Exfoliating Coffee Scrub. And they say prep and prime because anytime you do self-tanning, you're supposed to use a scrub first. And the paperwork, which I printed out really big, so I'm hoping that with some of this, I can forego glasses because I know that without the reflection, it's got to be easier for you guys. Consider this coffee and brown sugar body scrub the ultimate way to wake up your skin and your senses. Freshly ground coffee doesn't just kickstart your morning, it boosts your circulation too. Massage it into your skin to increase blood flow and reveal healthy, glowing skin. Brown sugar is the star ingredient when it comes to physical exfoliation. It gently buffs away dead skin cells and flakes, leaving you with brighter, ding, turn the page, smoother skin. This scrub is so moisturizing you can skip body lotion after. Wow. It's all thanks to nourishing sweet almond oil that's mixed into the formula. Use this scrub as a once weekly in-shower treatment or as the prep step before applying self-tanner. Okay, this is 30 grams. A full size is 200 grams, and they say that is $19.95. So that makes this 30 grams $2.99. Now, let's get into this cute little silver bag. It just has a regular silver Ipsy pull, and like I said, this is another one of those disco type bags. And the inside is that grayish color, just like the rose gold one was in the Ultimate, and it has the Ipsy tag. Reaching in, I have, oh, this was my choice. This is a little guy. I haven't seen one this little. This takes me back to the little Sephora ones that Abadabs, where if you've watched unboxings for a while, you've probably come across her channel, used to say they were made for Smurfs. That's what this looks like. It is teeny. I mean, can you see relative to the size of my thumb? It's a teensy weensy, but it's Glam Glow. So I am happy to give it a try because some Glam Glow products I can use and some I can't. And this is the Bright Eyes. And I thought, you know what? I need all the eye help I can get. So we're going to try this one. And it's the Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This eye cream is a mainstay on our most loved list. Like a shot of espresso for your under eye, this anti-fatigue powerhouse is the fastest way to wake up your complexion. Dark circles? No big deal. A combo of ultra-fine illuminating pigments and energizing caffeine help minimize shadows on contact. How I hope that is true. Get hydrated with a hit of hyaluronic acid. The humectant draws moisture to your eye area for a dewy, plumping effect. Your delicate eye skin is prone to early signs of aging. Luckily, this cream is infused with collagen-boosting peptides to help smooth crow's feet and fine lines. A full size is 15 ml and it's $39, and this is 3 ml, which means this little bitty fella has a $7.80 value. Let's open it up and see how full it is. Oh, pretty much full. That is nice. It looks, see how it looks? It's just so cute. Let's go ahead and give it a, oh, it's very firm. When you touch it, I expected it to feel like, you know, like a whipped cream, or it's almost got a firmer, like if it were Vaseline feel. It's got a much firmer feel than I anticipated. Is that it brightening my hand, or is that leftover eyeshadow? Let's try it somewhere else. I just did an eyeshadow swatch for a BoxyCharm. Let's find somewhere. Okay, we know this is not shiny. I'm going to put it over there and see if it adds. This almost has like a bright pink shine to it. No, it's this. That is interesting. I really hope that comes across on camera. Can you guys see right here? It's kind of got like a bright pinkish shine. There was one over here too. I really hope that that is coming across on camera. Wow, I cannot wait to try this. That is so cool. All right, reaching in next, I have a Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm. And I know you guys know, I went through a phase probably, what, 6-9 months ago, where it felt like every bag I had at least one balm in it. So I am stocked up of balms. But one of the balms that I did get, and I think I got it from Ipsy last time too, was a Jersey Shore lip balm, and I used it. I don't know if I just did it in an empty or if it's in the empty now that I'm getting ready to do. I love these. They are so creamy and nice. Let me tell you what this says about them. Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. The juicy watermelon scent is a total throwback to the fruity lip balms of our childhood. I can't wait to get in here. It reminds us that there's a few weeks of summer fun left. It's made with sunflower oil, which is high in vitamin E, and cocoa butter to soften and nourish your skin. It keeps your lips hydrated and happy, but it's great for moisturizing your cuticles and rough patches too. I never tried that with it. All of Jersey Shore Cosmetics are cruelty-free, so swipe your balm on as much as you like. Your pets won't mind. This is $10 at the Jersey Shore Cosmetics site, which seems a little high for a balm, but I am telling you, I don't know that I've ever, yeah, I said it, ever tried a lip balm that I enjoyed more than the last one. Let's get in here. I'm going to open this one up, and we'll see if I can tell just with smelling it in the back of my hand if it's the same formula, but oh, it does. It smells like that watermelon, like I just mentioned this in another video, like a Bonnie Bell or Lip Smacker watermelon. I think last time it was strawberry, but oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is the same formula. It is so soft and nice. I just put it right here in the middle. See that shine? I was using the Laneige lip sleeping masks every night, and I had this laying there one night, and I just did this instead because so much easier, because I don't use my fingers in the pots. I use the little paddle that they came with. So this is just so much easier, and I started doing it and doing it more, and I noticed my lips were staying just as soft as with the expensive lip sleeping masks, and it's so much easier. So if you have the opportunity to try this in one of your boxes, or you like balms and you see it in the add-ons, I would highly recommend the Jersey Shore balm. I just rubbed that into the back of my hand, and now my whole hand smells like watermelon. It smells so good. All right, well, like the professional that I am, I've just dragged out my card. It says, August 2020, the future is yours. The future, which is why we probably got the nice shiny bag. The inside gives us no information that helps us with the products that we received. So let's just move on. Next, I have an Araceli Jalisco Eyes. And that is what that looks like. And it says that it is, ooh, the eyeshadow is in tequila. Ooh, that's pretty. You know what? I am not going to touch that because I will probably poke it in a giveaway for someone. I have said, I know probably too many times, you guys are probably sick of hearing it, I just don't use single shadows. So I'm going to leave that over here, be sure I don't touch it, and tell you guys that this shimmery powder formula goes on smooth like butter without creasing or caking thanks to moisturizing agave extract. When it comes to color payoff, this highly pigmented formula can't be beat. One swipe coats your eyes in a wash of shimmery, soft peach color. I couldn't find, when I went looking for the prices of this, I couldn't find any singles like this. So I suspect this is something that they do for Ipsy just to have singles. But a palette of 6 is $30. So just by deduction, this would be $5 worth. I'm going to close it right back up so that I can put it in a giveaway. And last but not least, I have a Kiss and Smink lip crayon pen in Mariatis. And that is what that looks like. Has a nice overwrap on it, so let's take that off. All right, I got the protective wrapping off it. That was totally easy. Kiss and Smink Matte Creme Lip Crayon in Mariatis. Say hello to your new everyday lip color. This versatile berry shade, yay, works for chill, no makeup days or sultry nights when you want to glam it up. Even though it dries down matte, this cushiony, creamy formula is majorly moisturizing. That means no chapping, caking, or flaking throughout the day. This slim crayon packaging gives you total control for stress-free and super precise application, and it is $20. That color is perfect for me. It's a nice berry tone. Let's see how it goes on. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. It's nice and creamy. I love the color. And it's just, I wish I could do my lips, but this today is actually one of the Oma liquid lips that I just put a little bit of Becca lip gloss over, and I really like that color. This is so pretty. I will use the heck out of this. I have smaller lips, and so I do enjoy things that are like this. They're a little smaller, that do give me a little more precision, especially with my Cupid's bow. So this will probably be a favorite. All right, so that is my Ipsy regular glam bag for the month. And once again, I have to tell you, they knock the OG out of the park. They do such a great job with the original Ipsy bags. I got the Mind Tan Coffee Scrub, the nice exfoliating scrub, my cute little Bright Eyes from Glam Glow, the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Lip Balm, which, like I said, I know it doesn't sound too, but if you get the chance, I would highly recommend that balm. We have the Araceli Single Eye Color and the Kiss and Smink Lippy. So the value of my bag was $36.79 for a $12 bag. So 3 times what I paid. This alone, which I know I will enjoy, is $20. So this more than paid for the cost of the bag. Pretty much the balm that I also know that I like covered the cost of the bag. So I am very happy with this one. Let me know below if you guys were also happy with your original bags this month. There is so much going on at Ipsy now, but I have to tell you, they nail the little ones every month. You know, they've left them alone. They've stayed pretty close to the original formula, and it's working. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care, guys.